2007 Toyota Yaris right behind me. I am changing the manual transmission gear oil or gearbox oil. That being said, let's go ahead and get really dirty. Go over a little bit more. Toyota Yaris or Yaris stick shift manual transmission, gear oil replacement or change. Safety, important thing. If you don't wanna die yet, do this. That was a wood log, like wood, and then that kind of jack stand, not the other one. Blows your jack. Okay. Important thing, before you intend to open the drain or anything like that, so make sure you got the right tool and it come loose first before you intend to do the other one. That means the drain plug right there. Next step, to remove this plug, make sure you use the 24 6-point. Don't use the 12-point because it is kind of loose, it's got a lot of play. That means if you use that, it will damage the plug. Or you can use the 15, 16 up to 12-point, because this one, it's got less play than the 12-point 24mm. So you can use this because it's got less play, or this one over here. It should be okay. This one over here still got some play, I mean a lot of play on it, but it should be okay because it's 6-point. In this case, I'm going to use the 15, 16 standard on the filler plug over here that's loose, and then I'm going to use the 24mm metric on this side, which you can use either of these. I'm just doing it, I'm doing a video. So this one, hopefully it's not tight. Oh, kind of tight, but it's not enough space over here because there's this thing over here, space bar or control arm right here, but it's loose right now. After loosen that, you should able to loosen it by hand, finger loosen, just like that, and then in this case I supposed to put a oil pan over here or catcher, but I can't because my jack is here. I should move it on the other side, but I'm going to try to do it like this. It's going to be more mess on me like on my hand, but oh well, mistake, it happens every day, you know. No one is perfect in this world. It's coming out. Well, it looks very clean, that's for sure. Being this old, it's very clean. I'm going to, while we watching this one, I'm going back just a little bit. Before you do this, make sure you drive your car whatever miles, 5, 10, 30 miles. As of today, I drive my car about 40 miles today, and when I come back, I start this process. That way the oil it be thinner than it should, especially at time of the year. It is 20 degrees outside, and this oil it's really bad. So to do this, to make a lot of mess right now, I'm going to unblock the top one. Here you go. Now it's, see, now it's making less mess because I unblocked the filler plug. This one, what the heck happened? It shouldn't be empty. I might have to take this car down to tilt the oil this way. That way everything's going to come out. Right now it's nothing coming out. Well guys, that was weird. Soon as I upload that filler block over there, immediately that stopped, and I took the card down, raise it down or whatever you said, I don't know. I guess take it down. Still nothing come out. So if I would have left that one blocked, I think it will continue come out more. So the purpose of this, I wanted everything come out, but right now it looked like it sucked back in there and it's still more in there. So as you can see right now, it's still dropping a little bit. See right there, little by little. But I'm not gonna have time to wait for all this. It's been sitting here right now almost 10 minutes, so I think it should be enough. So I'm going to put that block back in there. To put the blocks back in, make sure you know which one it come out or where they come out. As of this moment, mine is different, and if you don't remember, that one with the rubber seal or the bigger one, it goes in the drain block, and the one all metal with the metal washer right here, this one right here, it goes to the filler block. That means I'm going to put this in first, and then I'm going to put the new gear oil in. Next, after you put the block back in, come to your mess over here. There's a clear hose right here. I always use this one with my gear oil replace. I can use this or just cut the point off of that one or the tip. So run this hose around here, make sure there is no dirt goes inside, and then make sure you put in that hole over there without any dirt or debris. Pull up here right in the hole. I hope you can see the hole right there. Slide in there just like that, and then get your daughter or your girlfriend or even your smart dog to help you. 2022, there is a lot of smart dog out there that can help. This is the oil what I'm going to use. According to my Yaris, there is no owner's manual, nothing. So I had to do a lot of research to find this. So I hope this is the right one. This is the 7590 gear oil, synthetic. And then this is the tip over here. So what I'm going to do, instead of spending money on pump, so I'm just going to cut this one off over here, and then insert in that tube in there. Of course, I'm going to make a hole in the bottom of the thing over here. That way the oil it will go down faster. Let's do that, shall we? Just like that. Make sure it's tight. Okay, now tilt it over. Since that tube is already inside the transmission over there, it's okay to tune it over right now. And then of course make a hole in the bottom right there, somewhere over here, with a drill or knife. I think I'm going to poke it with a knife. Just like that, I made the hole over there. Now while your helper is up there feeding it down the oil and keep you out on here. Right, where's it in a way? Oh, it's right there. Make sure it's in there, and of course ask your assistants to make sure everything's flow from there. You have to use clear hose over here, that way you can make sure it's moving like that. Soon as the oil will start coming out here, that indicates the box is full, and you don't have to put more in. Just put your plug back in there and tighten it up. Make sure it's tight enough, and you don't have to torque it because there is no movement or any high movement over here. As we can see from here, that hole over there, you can see it too. If you do it by yourself, I guess you can see it from here if the oil start coming out, and then you start from here. That means you can do it yourself. You don't have to have your smart thingy to help you. Right there, you can see it from here. Right there, it's going in, and I don't see nothing's coming out right now. The 2 quart is not enough, as you can see right there. It's both empty and nothing come up here yet. That means I gotta go buy more. This is my 3rd quart over here, and then this should be enough. Alright guys, it seems like it's coming out right now. That means it's full. Alright guys, this is completely full. It is time to put this bolt back in here. This one. After that, pat it down. Alright, that should be it. Long as it doesn't leak, it should be okay. So the main reason why I did this, the car is almost have 200,000 miles on it. So I believe you're supposed to do it every 50,000 miles. That's how you get more life of your car. So that's why I did it. Alright guys, that's it. We are finished. It is very super easy to do it on the 07 Yaris, especially if you use this tube over here. It would be much better if you get a bigger tube. That way it will flow faster, and then it will fit better on that tip of the gear oil bottle or jug. That's it for today. I hope you like this video or helpful. If you like it, don't forget to like and share my video. That's all I'm asking for. I appreciate it so much. Until next video, bye for now. Adios. Is it heavy?
Pick it up right here. Right here.
Is it heavy?
Get it, Aiden.
Go, 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 go.
Get it.